Okay, I just got my 6300s. They came 2-day UPS from Fort Worth, Texas. I'm going to open this box up and take a look at what's inside. Very nice to see the biodegradable packing materials. Very nice. Okay, you can kind of take a look inside there. You'll see we've got our packing list. We've got the order number, the purchase order number, address, and here's the SKU, 7S6300, Wi-Fi sensor, quantity 2. Okay, so that's nice. Box looks really sharp, and important information right here, of course. Part number, serial number, the MAC address. I love the thin box. Very nice. Let's put these aside. Oh yeah, that's really sharp looking. See that? Okay, so in here, this is our clip, our mounting bracket right here, as you can see. These are the feet, so you can put feet on it, because one of the use cases is to just mount it on a shelf. And there's some other stuff in here too. Let's just open it up and take a look. Different brackets, as you can see here. There are the feet. Oh, nice. It comes with some wall anchors and screws. And oh wow, look at these mollies for mounting to a sheetrock wall. Oh, look, some zip ties for cable management. Now let's take a look at the unit here. Really sharp. Wow. Yeah, it really feels like a nice unit. It is very sturdy, and as you can see, I just love the thin profile. Beautiful. Just beautiful. And on the back here, you can see we've got our LAN port, 12-volt power, very important for our OTA mode that's forthcoming. Reset is right here. And then obviously here is the important part with regards to mounting the brackets. And then that QR code is going to be really handy one day as well when we scan the unit in order to configure it quickly and easily. So there you go, guys. Really handsome unit, boxed very nicely as well, and looking forward to plugging it in and seeing it work. Thank you very much.